Hello minifigures, I'm a genius here, and today I will be looking at yet another alternative build. This time, it is for the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 set number 31055, the Red Racer. This set contains 72 pieces, 0 minifigures, and had a retail price of $10 in the United States. I will be doing both a review and how to build video for this model. So, please sit back and enjoy. Let's start out and take a close-up look at this model and all that it has to offer. I am calling this alternative mock the Hot Rod Buggy. This small vehicle actually can fit a minifigure, like so. It's a bit difficult to get him in there, but no, this is embarrassing. It's supposed to fit. Ah, there we go. Okay. It's actually not that difficult to get him in. There we are. That's how that looks. Starting at the front, we have some lower lights, and you can see that the car is built at this interesting angle, so that the seat is angled, but both wheels rest on the ground. I wanted to have a cool angle with it to give it a sporty look. We have some side view mirrors on the sides, naturally. Small windscreen right here. If you take the minifigure off, you can see that this piece right here can just represent some controls. We have an adjustable fin at the back, a couple rear lights, and this can represent a spot where you can fill it up with gas. And one of the cool features of this model is the fact that it is actually still modular. You can take off these engine sections right here and have it a bit more skinny, like so. And when you want to really beef up this vehicle and make it super powerful and fast, you can just add these twin engine units on the sides with ventilation to give it a really cool, speedy look. Well, that is pretty much it for this alternative mock. Let's see how it's built now. spare pieces left over from building this set. I hope you enjoyed building this alternative mock, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.